Happy birthday, Theatr Felinfach. Well done on reaching the big 5-0. Hopefully we'll be able to celebrate another 50 years. Well, I won't be here to celebrate another 50 years, but I'm very happy.
Happy birthday, Theatr Felinfach, Penblwydd Hapus, celebrating 50 years of entertainment. My first memory of the theatre was attending the wonderful pantomimes as a child, which I still enjoy going to. I feel very indebted to the theatre. It was one of the places where I started to perform. First of all with the Young Farmers Clubs, then the Eisteddfod yr Urdd, before obviously going on to do many concerts. I'm sure there'll be many more wonderful evenings to be had. On to the next 50, Penblwydd Hapus.
Well done, Felinfach, on reaching half a century, 50 years of supporting and being a cultural hub in the centre of Ceredigion. Congratulations, have a wonderful time celebrating, and let's look forward to the next 50 years.
Happy birthday, Theatr Felinfach. It's actually 50 years this year since I played in my very first concert on trombone, playing Zorba's Dance. Happy birthday.
Penblwydd Hapus, Theatr Felinfach. Happy birthday. Huge congratulations on this significant 50-year milestone. As it happens, Amgueddfa the Ceredigion Museum are also celebrating our 50th anniversary as well. So a lot to celebrate, all that achievement, all that hard work, and all the exciting things to come. Really looking forward to seeing what comes next for Felinfach. Hwyl fawr!